You have to make these Spanakopita stuffed peppers for a dinner idea bursting with Mediterranean fresh flavors. Start by cutting your bell peppers in half and cleaning out the insides and removing the seeds. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and place your bell peppers in a baking dish. In a large frying pan, drizzle olive oil and cook your onions for a few minutes before adding your garlic. Continue by adding your spinach and cooking it down until fully wilted. Place the spinach in the large bowl and add your lemon zest, lemon juice, cottage cheese, feta cheese, egg, and fresh dill. Mix everything together until very well combined. Proceed by filling all of the bell pepper halves by equally dividing the mixture. Cover the bell peppers with the grated mozzarella and cover the dish with foil. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for an extra 10 minutes uncovered. Thanks for watching. I hope to enjoy these soon. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.